Challenge accepted. Hey guys, look what I have. I have a single cell filled with seed starting mix, and I have one seed growing in here. This is my single seed challenge 2023. Single seed challenge 2023 is officially on, and this is a video to tell you what I am growing for my single seed challenge, tell you what the single seed challenge is all about, and invite you to participate. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because guys, I have officially started my single seed challenge 2023. This is my third time participating in this challenge, and if you don't know what this challenge is all about, it is a challenge that was created by another fellow YouTube gardener, Scott Head, and he happens to be my neighbor, lives just a couple of houses down the street from me. And the idea of the challenge is that you plant one seed and you follow the life cycle of that seed. It is fun, it is meant to bring gardeners together, and also it is meant to force you to learn about what it takes to grow a particular vegetable. You just plant that one seed, it's going to force you to pay attention to what it takes to grow that one seed. That is the gist of the challenge, and gardeners on YouTube are supposed to participate in the challenge and use that hashtag single seed challenge 2023, and then you can find other gardeners on YouTube that are participating in the challenge. So I'm going to invite you to participate in that challenge as well, and I will link the original video from Scott Head in the description. Yes, you can click on it and find out more information about what it takes. So guys, this year 2023, I selected the tomato plant, and this is not any kind of tomato. It is the Paul Robeson Tomato. It has history behind it, and I'm going to tell you more about the history of that particular tomato plant. But if you're interested in growing this particular tomato plant, I'm going to put a link in the description box where you can get the seeds from my favorite seed shop, True Love Seeds. You can get the seeds from there. The reason why I selected the tomato is so that I can force myself to actually learn how to grow the tomato. I have not been successful with growing tomatoes, and so I'm hoping that this year I have better luck with growing tomatoes. Wish me luck guys, and also I am inviting you to participate in the single seed challenge. If you're new to the channel, let me invite you to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. I'm going to show you what I have done to plant my tomato seeds so far, and right now I'm going to go put this on the heat mat behind me, and hopefully in 7 to 10 days we have a germination. I'm going to keep you updated. Again, give the video a thumbs up, and let me now show you how I planted my single seed. So guys, while you watch how I planted my single seed, let me tell you more about this special, unique tomato. The Paul Robeson tomato is an indeterminate tomato, meaning that it can keep growing and keep producing fruit, and it is supposed to produce a dusky red, sweet, juicy, smoky, tangy, and rich tomato fruit that can grow up to 10 ounces in size. So it is really a special tomato, and this particular variety was introduced by a lady known as Marina Danilenko. She was a seed seller from Moscow, and this seed, the Paul Robeson seed, was named in honor of guy known as Paul Robeson, who lived from 1898 to 1976. He was an African American actor, an athlete, a singer, a linguist, and an outspoken crusader for racial equality and justice for African Americans and all colonized people. Back to planting our seed. As you saw, I filled up that one cell with seed starting mix, which is what you should use to start seeds indoors. Watered it, press that mix down because we don't want air pockets, and then made a hole in there, and I'm going to plant my seeds. But guess what? I had my husband help me select the seed and plant the seed. I'm hoping he has a green thumb and will have good luck. He will have better luck than I've had trying to grow tomatoes, and it is just another way for me to maybe get him interested in what I'm doing. I don't know. I was just trying to spend some time with him anyway. So my single seed is now planted, and as you know, tomatoes are heat loving, which means that the seed also requires a certain type of temperature to enable germination. I think anywhere between 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit is optimal for tomato seed germination. I decided to put the seed in a Ziploc bag just for humidity. All right, let's go put our tomatoes.